We have breaking news coming out of St. Louis. On the day of May 16th, 2025, they were hit with an unexpected tornado. And per news report, there's widespread damage, but they are also reporting multiple casualties. And some are saying this was completely unexpected. There were no warnings, no sirens, no news reports of a suspected tornado. This literally came down during the day while people were out and about, working, just enjoying their day. All of our thoughts and prayers are with everybody affected by this disaster.
My God! We're in a tornado! We're literally in a fucking tornado, dude.
Look at the trees, dude.
Oh, fuck, dude, it just crushed the crane truck. Oh my fucking God. Dude.
That's what I lay down like.
Zach and I saw that motherfucker start. Dude, this whole place is fucked. It might flip the truck. Oh, fuck!
Lay down, bro.
Holy fuck.
That's why I got out the machine.
Your machine's fucked.
See?
Holy shit. Dude, we were literally just fucking saying it's rotating.
Oh, hell no. I was like, fuck that.
Holy fuck, dude.
Oh, man.